So today's actually the day before we're supposed to pick up the wing. Tomorrow I have to leave my house at 8 so I can get there at 9 in the morning because he works at 10. It's about an hour drive, so it should be pretty fun. But before this video starts, I actually need you guys to do me a favor. Go ahead and follow Jacob on Instagram. I'm gonna put it down here. He has a really nice 370, and just tell him thank you for giving us the wing at such a good price. And even if you're not gonna say thank you, just go ahead and follow him still. And yes, bros, I know what you're probably thinking. Danny, when did you become a ricer? Why do you like wings now? What are you doing with your life? I know. But before you comment any of that, this is what we're gonna do. This video hits 200 likes, that wing is gonna stay on the car forever. If it doesn't reach 200 likes, I probably won't put it on. But if you guys let me know in the comments below you like it a lot, then it might go on. So if you do like the wing, make sure you hit the like button and let me know you do. And if you don't, then let me know in the comments below. Now that we got that out of the way, let me tell you guys how I came across the wing and why I chose it. First, let me tell you bros about the wing. It is a Duraflex. Yes, I know Duraflex. It has a Duraflex Vader wing, something along those lines. So now let me tell you why I'm spending money on a wing when I didn't even want one in the first place. I was on Craigslist looking for used 370Z parts and I came across the wing. I'm gonna show you guys the only reason why I'm getting the wing. The wing is already colored the same color as Brittany. Am I gonna be a ricer? Maybe. I really don't know how it's gonna look. I put up a poll on Instagram. A lot of you guys saw it. I'm gonna put my Instagram right here if you don't follow me already. But it was really interesting. I put if it was rice or no rice. In the beginning it was like a 50-50. Then it graduated towards no rice. And it ended at the wing not being rice. I don't know, but personally I don't like the wing, but it's such a good price and it's already painted my color, it's stupid to pass up. But seriously though, again, huge shout out to Jacob. Make sure you bros follow him on Instagram right here. Brittany, my 370, doesn't really stand out. She's more of stealthy, low, and really clean. Buying her a wing, especially like this one, I don't know how I feel about it, but we'll see. I really want to tell you guys how much I'm spending on this wing. Because if you guys knew, you'll be like, yeah, 100% go buy it. Okay, I got an idea. Yeah, that's a good idea. So somewhere in this video, I'm going to put up randomly, just randomly, how much the wing cost me. It might be here, the price might be here, might be the whole screen, we never know. Who knows, you're just going to have to keep watching. I don't know how I'm going to feel about this. It's going to be really clean, 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 clean. And right there, just a big wing. Who knows, maybe we like it. Okay, bros, like always, I'm running a bit late, so I got to hurry up. Oh, by the way, this is how the headlights look. Really nice. Gosh, why am I always late? I can't even find my wallet. I gotta go get the money. Never mind, I found it. I'm also so tired, but let's make our way with her. Alright, so we just got here. He said meet him at the Dollar General, which is right there. So yeah, where is he?
The destination is on your right.
So we actually made it here on time. It's 9:43, so now we're just waiting for him. Here we got Jacob C. Looks really nice. Make sure you guys follow him on Instagram. I'll put it like right there. I already put it in the beginning of the video, but make sure you follow him. Guys, so this is what we did right here. It looks pretty sketchy. You gotta rope tighten it from here to that little bar right there. So this is how it looks, kind of sketchy, but we just look. I really don't know why that looks so epic to me. But now I'm gonna go ahead and head home. I'm probably gonna be dead by the time I get home from smelling this exhaust. It's so bad. So sketchy. Finally we made it to Naples. We're home. So today's Thursday, we picked up the wing on Tuesday. It's been sitting here in my room for the past 2 days. I haven't been able to put it on because I've been busy with school and work. But today, hopefully we can take off the stock wing really quick. And maybe, I don't know if we're gonna drill into the car because that's what we have to do to be able to put the other wing on. But we're just gonna plant it and you'll see how it looks today. So far, I'm pretty excited about the wing. I really can't wait to see it on. Give something to Alex for helping us out. So right now, to be able to take off the stock wing, what we need to do, we gotta heat it up. I'm using my mom's hairdryer. Hopefully she doesn't watch this video. While I'm heating it up, Alex is putting the string through here and pulling it. My car without a spoiler, we just took it out, bros. Thankfully, finally, like I said in this clip, we took it out. And it doesn't look bad, right? It doesn't look bad. I don't know, I like the back. I like it. I I like it because I like it because it's lowered and the color just makes it look really nice. So it's not bad. Hopefully it looks good because during the installation, something happened, which I don't really want to talk about right now. I might tell you guys later. I don't know. So now that you guys got the wing off, you really haven't seen the wing yet. So I'll be right back. Look how big this is. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't really know how I feel about it. I don't know. How do you guys feel about it? I don't know. It doesn't look bad. It's so dark I can barely see it, but yeah, this angle doesn't look bad.
Dude, I like it.
Yeah, that looks nice. Actually, yeah. From this angle, it looks really nice. It's so dark, you guys can barely see it. Oh wait, maybe you guys can see it through my phone. From this angle, it actually doesn't look that bad. It's really dark though, you guys can barely see it. Because you got the lines there, and then the lines in the back. 200 likes and I keep it on. Yeah, I know. I don't know what to do. It doesn't look bad. Like, I don't know. Now I want the car to look nice with the wing on. So what I can do, I can just buy a bumper, side skirts, and do something with the back. I don't know, dude. Bro, so I'm actually gonna stop the video right here. I took the wing off. The car has no wing right now. It looks pretty bad actually. And hopefully I can edit this tonight so I can upload it tomorrow. I just want you to let me know, do I leave it on, do I not? I'm really confused right now. It's like a 50-50. I like it, but at the same time I don't. So please let me know, should I buy another wing? But it's already off, let me show you guys. It's already off, I mean there's no turning back. And the stock wing broke, but I don't really want to talk about that. Sorry if this vlog was kind of weird, bros. It's gonna come to an end right now so I can upload another video for you very soon. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure, please, leave down your opinion on it. Yeah, leave a thumbs up, share with your friends. I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully, fingers crossed, with a final decision. Peace.